How to loop commands or actions in Claude Code. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can loop a particular command or a prompt using the Claude Code CLI. So in order to loop any particular requirement, what you will need to do is first simply launch your Claude Code CLI. And after launching in your Claude Code CLI, simply type in the command that is loop. Now, after typing in the loop, you will need to determine the interval. So the minimum interval is 1 minute, which means that you can make that particular action occur every 1 minute. So let me type in one and then I will type in the prompt. So I can type in prompt like print hi, and then I will hit the enter button and let it think for the same. So now as you can see, it is currently thinking and it says print hi every second for 10 seconds. So by default, it could also goes to 1, but it says that 1 doesn't have a time unit suffix. So it doesn't match as an interval using default interval of 10 minutes with the full input as the prompt. So what I can do instead, that if this schedule has been created, it will simply print hi every 10 minutes. So in your case, you can avoid this mistake by simply providing a suffix like second, minute, hour, or day. Also, the input 1 wasn't recognized as an interval, so I use the default 10-minute interval. So I can change it as well or delete it. In case you have created any cron and you want to delete it, what you can do is simply type in loop and then the job ID. As you can see, this is the job ID. Simply copy it and paste it over the loop option and then hit the enter button. Now, once you will do this, let it think for a while and it will give you an option. And from here, you can see it says use cron delete instead if you would like him to delete it. So you can simply type in yes, delete the cron, and it will delete this particular cron job that we had created. So let it function for the same, and here you can see that this particular job has been successfully cancelled. So that's how easily you can set up and delete a cron job in your Claude Code CLI. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.